Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learning Upfront. We are back with a new episode of News Flash. Today we will be discussing about the Great Indian Festival sale which has finally kick-started on Amazon. I know everyone has been waiting for this sale for long. This year also Amazon has come up with many exciting deals and offers, and I'll be telling you about some of these. So stay tuned. Let's start with the electronics category. You can get up to 60% discount on electronics items and accessories, along with 12 months no-cost EMI. There are also some exchange offers running on selected products. Amazon is giving up to 40% discount on mobiles and accessories like mics, earphones, etc. Amazon has also brought some offers which include a total damage protection of your devices. Some of the great discount offers on top selling mobile brands are visible on your screen. Further, under the electronics section, you can grab up to 75% discount on LED televisions and other home appliances with no cost EMI and exciting exchange offers. The best seller LED TV starts from Rs 8,999 only. There is also a wide range of refrigerators which starts from Rs 5,990 only, and many more offers on such appliances. Not only electronics, there is up to 70% off on Amazon brand products like Solimo, Vedaka and Tavasya. There is also up to 80% off on top brands of clothing, accessories for men, women and kids. And friends, this is not the end. You will get an additional 10% instant discount up to 12,000 rupees on HDFC Bank credit cards and debit cards in this sale. This also includes bonus cashback offers on the products with HDFC cards. Friends, I have listed some of the products with best ongoing deals in the description box below. So don't forget to check the latest offers by clicking on the links given below in the description. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all the latest updates on our channel. And do like, comment and share this video so that everyone can benefit from this exciting sale. We will come up back with another video very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care and enjoy the festival season.